Hello and welcome to this lecture. Accelerated sales, increased sales frequency. Now let us see how we can enhance the sales frequency in order to increase the outbound business transactions. In other words, what will motivate the existing and the new customers to buy more? Here are some of the key points which I learned during my experience that increase the sales frequency. Put yourself in the shoes of a florist who has a nice shop in a small town in England. First, let me list the 5 ways in which you can accelerate your sales. Afterwards, we go through them one by one. Number 1, low priced items. Number 2, educate your customers. Number 3, enhance the overall service offering. Number 4, servitization. Number 5, subscription. Now, let us go through each one of them one by one. Number 1, low priced items. Offering low priced items or free content on social media to educate the customers about your brand and value offering can do wonders. It will repetitively engage your target market and take your vision in front of them. As Gary Vee says, you have to knock on the door 25 times with a good and valuable content before someone purchases the higher priced goods or services from you. Number 2, educate your customers. You must educate your customer on social media about the positioning and true essence of your business. Once the customers have the clarity on what is in it for them and how your products and services will benefit them, they will become motivated buyers, which will increase the frequency of sales. Number 3, enhance the overall service offering. This can be done in the following ways. Number 1, focus on the core competences as much as possible and outsource the repetitive tasks if it is more cost efficient. Number 2, become a part of an ecosystem in your area and add value to businesses. The businesses with whom you collaborate or who are your customers can bring you more clients just by word of mouth. For example, if a florist is well known to business owners in an area, a business owner who is an existing customer or providing a service to the florist, such as home delivery, can tell one of his customers whose daughter's wedding is near, I know a very good florist who can do magnificent bouquet for your daughter's wedding. She will make her wedding anniversary amazing with great bouquet that smells amazing. Does that sound familiar? Do you know the power of that? Number 3, as you grow more, the costs will go down, since the economies of scale concept will creep in. Number 4, do consider the complementary value enhancers. Ooh, the flowers arrived in 2 hours. That was wonderful. These guys are always on time. Their flowers are so fresh. I feel amazing when I place those flowers in my drawing room. You must be familiar with that. Number 4, servitization. Let us look at the 2 ways in which you can enhance the extent of servitization. Number 1, monthly subscription. You can incentivize the customers by your service offering. For example, every month you get a different bouquet based on your choice of smell and preferences, and it is also delivered to your doorstep. Number 2, complimentary services. In that case, you can sell the jars with bouquets to customers. Other items such as the wrappers of bouquet with name of customers, their relatives, gifts like cakes, chocolates, and so on. Now, maybe cakes will be delivered by a bakery on the side of the road, which makes amazing cakes, and their online shop can be linked to your online shop, and in this way you can place the orders and it will arrive soon and will be a bit cheaper than the listed price also. I mean the cakes which are supplied to you by the bakery. Number 5, subscription. Subscriptions can accelerate your sales and enhance the sustainability of your business also. And this can be done due to the following ways. Number 1, the sustainability of cash flow. Number 2, the certainty of cash flow. Number 3, increase brand awareness. For example, if one of your customers orders a bouquet every 2 weeks or 1 month, it is likely that many other people, guests, relatives, their customers, or business partners and friends will look at your bouquet, smell them, like the amazing smell, and also become your customers. But if they would buy one bouquet after months, not only will they eventually themselves forget about your brand, but also no one in their circles will ever become your customer. So now you understand the importance of subscription. Number 4, subscriptions can create a snowball effect at any time. Who knows? Who knows if a regular client of yours has a bouquet on his table and he invites a guest who is a property investor and owns a 20-bed high-end serviced accommodation. If he likes your flowers, he might potentially give an order of 20 bouquets every 2 weeks. Now you understand the importance of subscription model. More customers for your brand, more brand awareness, more cash flow, and not only that, but the higher the probability of getting even more new customers for your business at a faster rate. Now let's summarize the lessons which we have learned in this lecture. So here are the key points of this lecture. Number 1, faster outbound transactions or sales can reduce the costs per transaction due to economies of scale. Number 2, faster outbound transactions can enhance the brand awareness. The reason is that outbound transactions happen when clients purchase your products or services. Therefore, the more frequent the outbound transactions, the more the probability of getting noticed by many people, since your flowers will most probably not only be seen by more customers but also by their friends and other relatives too. And that is true for any business, not just for a florist. Therefore, more people will become aware of your products. Number 3, you can definitely get more cash flow by adding downsells and upsells to your service offering. Therefore, it is clear that the idea of enhanced sales frequency is vital to the success of a business. Time for yet another assignment now. As they say, practice makes a man perfect, and I know that you love assignments, isn't it? Mention at least 5 ways in which you can enhance the frequency of transactions in your business. I mean the outbound transactions. If you are not a business owner, simply imagine yourself in the driving seat of a business in the industry of your choice and write them down. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you found the information in this lecture interesting. Let's proceed to the next lecture and keep on learning.